Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to film a quick little video on how I fix my broken powders, okay? Now that is a very sad day when you drop one of your makeup products and it just smashes, like really hurts you. So if you guys want to know how to fix your broken powders, then just keep on watching. Guys, so the things that you'll need is a bowl, a spatula from your mom's kitchen, sorry mom, some tissue paper, and of course some rubbing alcohol. I have 91% alcohol. Okay, so I'm gonna take my MAC Cosmetics bronzer and I'm just going to put everything in the bowl. Now I do have some product still on here, which is fine. I'm gonna just leave that. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you just break everything up. Okay, and then you're gonna add your rubbing alcohol. Now, I just kind of guess on how much rubbing alcohol I'm going to be using. You don't want your paste to be too wet, so just add a little bit in and then go with it. I'm just really mixing this in, and I've added the right amount. I'm not gonna add any more. Still some pieces in there, but that's totally fine. Before I add the product back in here, I'm just going to clean up my bronzer first to use some of that rubbing alcohol. Okay, so now that I've cleaned this, I'm gonna grab the product. So this is when it's nice to have a spatula because it just gets all that product out. So I'm gonna just scoop that in. So once I got most of the product back in, I'm just going to lightly spread all that product around evenly. Okay, so we're just gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. And FYI, you guys, I've had this bronzer for a long time, and as you can see, I still have lots of product still, so I definitely recommend trying out some of the MAC bronzers. This one is Give Me Sun, so I'm gonna quickly do this one as well. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. I saved it. Alright you guys, so it's been about 30 minutes actually. And this is feeling, it's almost dry. Before it goes completely dry, what I do is I grab the tissue paper and I'm just gonna put it over that, and I'm gonna find something that's kind of circular, so I'm just gonna use my foundation. Press down just so it's nice and flat, like so, and then we have that. So this is like pretty good, and I'm really happy. Now with this one, as you can see, like I don't have that much product left, so it's kind of hard to get it all evenly in there. And there we go, we have saved our broken powders. Good as new. and don't get a white vanity because it's just very messy right now. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and I really hope this helped you. Yes, as always, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, and that video will be a Valentine's Day look. And I'm so excited because that is a full glam beat makeup tutorial coming your way. Okay you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, I hate doing outros. Okay, bye.